Very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn exercise 4.3, 13th question. So the question is, how many different solutions of the 5 books can be made from 12 different books? The first subject is, if 2 particular books are always selected, 2 particular books are never selected. So totally there are 12 different books. So let me write 12 different books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So out of these 12 books, we are going to select 2 particular, in the first subdivision, 2 particular books are always selected. So let us take any 2 particular books. So if we are selecting these 2 particular books, it will be in one way. So already we have to select totally 5 books. In that already 2 books we have selected in a particular way. The remaining will be 3 books. That 3 books which we are going to select from the remaining 10 ways. Therefore, it will be 10C3. So let us write in words. The 2 particular books can be selected in one way. The remaining books will be 10. So the remaining books to be selected is 3. Why? Because already from the 5 books we have selected 2 books, so the remaining books will be 3. So the number of ways of selecting is given as 10C3 into 1 way already we have selected. So 10C3 can be written as 10 factorial by 3 factorial into 7 factorial, n minus r factorial. If you do further simplification, you are going to get number of ways of selecting the 2 particular books. Next, if you talk about the second subdivision, we are saying that 2 books we are not going to select. So 2 particular books are not at all there in our books. 2 particular books are not there. So let us consider this case only. If these 2 particular books we are not at all going to select, so these 2 books are deleted. So the 2 particular books are not selected. The 2 particular books are not selected. If 2 particular books are not selected means the remaining books will be 10. So we have not even taken even 1 book also we have not selected. So therefore the number of ways of selecting 5 different books from 10 books is given as 10C5. That is 10 factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Let us see the first solution. 9th grade first solution. A kabaddi coach has 14 players needed to play. How many different teams of 7 players could put on the court? So total number of players is 14. So number of players to be selected seven players we need to select. So total number of ways of selecting is 14C7. So that is 14 factorial by 7 factorial into 7 factorial. Okay, next question. there are 15 persons in a party. If two of them shake hands each other, how many handshakes will happen? So if a person shake hands, then two hands will be together. Then two hands will be together. So selecting of two hands from 15 persons. So number of ways of selecting is 15C2, that is 15 factorial by 13 factorial into 2 factorial. So 15 into 14 by 2, that is 2 ones, 2 sevens, 105 shake hands will happen. Next, 9th bit third subdivision. How many curves are drawn on a circle if 20 points are there on a circle? So on a circle, if I want to draw a curve, I need to join minimum 2 points. So if I join any 2 points on the circle, I am going to call it as a curve. So totally there are 20 points, so I need to join, for joining a curve, I require 2 points. So if a curve is drawn, then 2 points are joined. If a curve is joined, then 2 points are joined. So if 20 points are selected among which 2 points are particularly selected. Therefore, the number of ways is 20C2, that is 20 factorial by 2 factorial into 18 factorial. So that is 20 into 19 by 2 ones, 2 tens, which is 190 ways. Okay. Next question. In a parking lot, 100 1-year-old cars are parked. So totally there are 100 old cars which are parked in the parking lot. Out of them, 5 are drawn at random. So from these 100, we are going to select the 5 different cars. So how many ways we can select? So total number of cars 100. So number of selecting 5 cars we need to select. So number of ways of selecting 5 different cars from 100 is given as 100 C5 ways. 100 C5 ways. Okay. Next, how many ways can a team, 3 boys, 1 girl, and a transgender be selected from 5 boys, 4 girls, and 2 transgenders? So given 3 boys, 1 girl, and a transgender, 1 transgender from 5 boys, 4 girls, and 2 transgenders we need to select. So it can be selected in 5C3 ways and 4C1 ways and 2C1 ways. So 5C3 can be done as 5C2, 4C1 into 2C1. So 5C2 is 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 4C1 is 4, 2C1 is 2. 8. 10 into 8, 80. The next, next question. Determine the number of 5 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards if there are exactly 3 aces in combination. So let us see the solution. Total number of cards. So total number of cards, we have totally 52 cards. In these 52 cards, we need to select 5 cards. So the 3 cards are aces. The 3 cards to be selected are aces. So we need to select totally 3 cards. That 3 cards also need to be aces, and the remaining 2 cards, it can be anything. So total number of aces. Total number of ace in deck of cards. So in total deck of cards, total number of aces will be 4. So number of ways of selecting aces. Selecting aces is equals to 4C3 ways. So out of 4 aces, we are going to select 3 aces. So it can be possible to happen in 4C3 ways. The remaining cards. So out of total 52 cards, 4 aces already gone. So the remaining cards are 48. So the number of cards we need to select again. The number of cards to be selected. So we can see here only 3 cards we have selected. Actually we need to select 5 cards. In that we have selected 3 cards. So the number of cards needs to be selected is 2. So number of ways of selecting remaining cards. Selecting remaining cards. So it can be happened in 48 C2 ways. So therefore total number of ways. Total number of ways of selecting is 4C3 and 48C2. So 4C3 can be written as 4C1. Here 48 factorial by 2 factorial into 46 factorial. So we know that 4C1 value is 4 into 48 into 47 into 46 factorial. 46 gets cancelled, 2 ones, 2 24s. So if you multiply this, you will get the answer. 4 into 24 into 47. So next 18th question. A committee of 7 people has to be formed from 8 men and 4 women. So in how many ways this can be done when committee consists of first exactly 3 women? So out of 7 people, I need to select 3. Totally, I need to select 7 people. Among these 7 people, there are 8 men and 4 women. Let me do it this way. The first. So totally, there are 8 men and 4 women. So 8 men are there and 4 women are there. So exactly 3 women. So if you need to select exactly 3 women, totally there are 4 women. In that we need to select exactly 3 women. So number of ways of selecting 3 women from 4 women is 4C3 ways. So we can select in 4C3 ways. Next. Exactly 3 women, we can select in 4-3. Totally we have selected only 3 out of 4 people. Again 4 people are left. So the number of ways of selecting 8 men. So we need to select again 4 men. Why? Because totally there should be 7 people. In this 3 people already covered. So we need to select here 4 from total 7 men. So that will be 7C4. So total number of ways is equals to 4C3 into 7C4. So that is 4C1 into 7C3. So here this can be written as NCR, can be written as NCN minus R. So next, let us talk about the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, is clearly saying that at least 3 women. So it may be 3, it may be more than 3. So totally we are going to have second subdivision 8 men and 4 women. So we are having 8 men and 4 women. In that we need to select at least 3 women. So if I select at least 3 women, so if 3 women is selected from 4 women, it will be 4C3 ways into, so totally we have covered this, and the remaining will be 8 men. Among the 8 men we are going to select 4 men. Okay, this is the first case, and the second scenario is that if there are 4 women we are going to select, means out of 4 we are going to select 4 women is selected from 4 women. So it will be 4C4 into 8C3. Therefore, total number of ways is equals to 4C3 into 8C4 plus 4C4 into 8C3. 4C1 into 8C4 plus 1 into 8C3 ways. Next, coming to the third subdivision. So in the third subdivision we are having at most 3 women. So at most 3 women, totally given it as 8 men and 4 women. So 8 men are there and 4 women are there. In that we are to select at most 3 women. It should not exceed 4 women. So if 0 women selected, means I am not going to select any woman from 4 women. From 4 women. So it can be done in 4C0 ways, and I can select all the 7 men directly. Next, if 1 woman is selected, if 1 woman is selected from 4 women, then it can be done as 4C1 into 8C6. So totally 1 plus 6, 7 people. Next, I can select 2 women. 2 women selected from 4 women. So that is 4C2 into 8C5. Next, at most 3 means I can select 3 women also. So 3 women selected from 4 women. So that is 4C3 into 8C4. So therefore the total number of ways is equals to 4C0 into 8C7 plus 4C1 into 8C6 plus 4C2 into 8C5 plus 4C3 into 8C4. So these many ways we can select. The next question, 17th question, find the number of ways of forming a committee of 5 members out of 7 Indians and 5 Americans, so that always Indians will be in majority in the committee. So let us see this scenario, Indians and Americans, Indians, Americans. So in this Indians and Americans, Indians should be the majority. So totally we have 7 Indians and 5 Americans. So in this 7 Indians, the majority I can take it as 3. So the remaining 2 will be Americans. Majority will be 4-1 or 5. I will not take even no Americans at all. So the possible ways are 3 Indian, comma 2 Americans I can take, or 4 Indian and 1 American I can take, or I can take directly 5 Indians. Therefore, the possible ways is equals to 3 Indians. We are going to select from 7 Indians, so it will be 7C3 into 5C2 plus 7C4 into 5C1 plus 7C5 into 5C0. So this can be written as 7C3, that is 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 5C2. 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial plus this can be written as 7C3 into 5C1 is 5 plus this is 7C2, 5C0 is 1. So this can be written as 7 into 5, 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial plus 7 factorial by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 5 plus 7C2, 7 factorial by 5 factorial into 2 factorial into 1. So 3 to 6 gets cancelled. So 7 5 35 plus, so 7 into 6 into 5 by 6, 6 gets cancelled, plus 7 into 6 by 2, 2 1s, 2 3s into 1. So the total number of people are 35 plus 21. So 70. So here I need to multiply with 5 and okay. So it will be 35 into 5, here 5C2, that is 35 into 10. So totally 35 into 5 will be 175 plus 350 plus 21. So if I add further, I am going to get it as 546.